The next example we have to understand on the date object of the JavaScript. So let us understand how to make a date object and use it, how to call the methods from the date object. Consider I have just code here, say HTML open, HTML close, and inside this you can say head, title, say date, example, right? Close the title here and then close the head here, right? And then say body, close the body, right? Inside that we'll write one script, say script here, and close the script here, right? Now here we'll write the code. We'll see what happens here. I say x equal to new date, so I'm using date object here. If I print document dot write and I say x, let us see what the output we get here. Okay, save it as a like date example dot html, right? Save it. So you have noticed that one script I have written for the date object. So here x we are taking a reference for the date object, and then here I will say type equal to text slash JavaScript, right? Let us see what is the output we get. So we'll see date example, allow block content. So you're getting the full date and time with some kind of so this is the date and time you are getting, right? Year you are getting plus UTC plus 3 hours, so like GMT, some standard time. And you want to retrieve each and every part of this date, what we'll do here, we can say here document dot get, document dot document dot write, and then inside that we can write x dot get date. Okay, plus we can give some space and then say x dot plus x dot get date, get month. Okay, plus we can give again slash symbol plus, so date month here, x dot get year. Let us see the output here, and I can say I just want to give a line break, so you can use say HR, horizontal line, or BR you can use here. Let us see the output now. So what you have noticed here, 9 and 10 is coming in 2012, right? So it should come 9 11, but it is coming 10, so you have to do here plus 1, you have to do, because it is taking from 0. So November is 11, right? So that you have to try here and save it. So you have noticed that 9 November 2012 we are getting. Similarly, if you want time here, you can write here document dot write and say x dot get, let us say hour you want first, get hours, plus we'll use colon here, plus x dot get minutes. Okay, plus x dot seconds. Okay, save it, and now run the code. So what you have noticed here, 11:40, you're getting 11:40 47. So time is 11:40 here, right? And 47 is the second. If you refresh it, that will keep updating, right? So by this way we can use date object here, right? That's all about understanding the date object of JavaScript. Hi guys, let us understand the array object and string object in JavaScript, how we can declare array, and there's an array object which is having certain methods which we can call. Even the string object also having certain methods like to lowercase, to uppercase, and there are several other methods which I'm going to discuss with this example. So let us talk about first array object here. I have already written this code. So look at here, there's an array object and I say my array equal to new array, right? Take anything like x equal to new array, some name, and here I'm passing some kind of values. So you can notice here 1, 4, 3, 2, 7.52 and 6, 5, 9.2, some float value, some integer value, some kind of character is also there, right? So it can contain a mixed kind of values. It is not like normal integer array which we have in C, C++. You can store any kind of value in this array here, and later you can call the method like to a string. So it will represent a string information of all these. As I said, to a string is the global method for all the object, right? And join, so it will place hyphen between in each and every elements. If you say sort, it will do sorting of this guy. If you say reverse, it will reverse the array here element wise. Length, how many elements present in this array, that you can get it. Let us run this code now. So I'm talking about array object here, allow block content. So you can notice that 1, 4, 3, 2, 7, 5, like all the elements are displaying once. Why? Because we have done here to a string. Now you can just notice here, and then I'm calling here to a string is representing this. Here I'm saying join. So join hyphen in between the elements. So every element is coming with hyphen symbol, right? Isn't it? Even the float value, whatever we are having. Then we are saying sort. So perform sorting on this data. So you can check here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5, then 8, then 9.2, then 8 on 8, then X. It is coming. It's like it is taking some ASCII value of this guy and just saying in ascending order, right? Once I say reverse, so the whole stuff will get reverse. You notice here. So X, A 9.2, 8, 7.5. So you are getting the reverse of this guy. Once I say length, what is that? So how many elements here? You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we are having 12 elements in this array, right? Well, so you understood the array object. It is very simple. Just say array equal to new array. You can have a variable for that object. Place the values here, right? Now another which we have to understand is a string object. These are the language object actually. Under the language we have a string, array, boolean, date. As I discussed one date, right? Now let us understand the string here. So consider I have a mystr equal to new string and say this is a first string, this is a first string, second, something I have written from here to here, right? So the whole string is presented by this mystr. Once I say mystr.length, you will get each and every characters get counted here. If I say mystr.to lowercase, it will display the whole set of characters in lowercase. So I'm just little organizing this mystr.to lowercase, mystr.to uppercase. It will convert into the uppercase. Mystr.to string 7 means from 7th position I want the whole string. Now here we are saying mystr.substring from 5th position to 13th position. So we are giving the index. So we are extracting the part of the string from the one bigger string, right? Mystr.split first. So I'm saying that split the string wherever you are finding the first. Here one, again here one, again here one. So there are three string, right? So it will get it a split it and say it will give a comma to that place. And then we are saying mystr.split mystr.char at. What is the character on position 8? Then we are having mystr.char code at 1. So what is the character, okay, on position 1? Mystr.index of first, where the first is starting. So we can call this kind of methods from the string object, okay, and let us run this code string object and get it. Now allow block content here. Now, so you have seen that I said length. Length is giving 68 characters. So these are the all in lowercase. And if you count the characters from here to here, you will get 68 characters. Again, I am saying to lowercase. I am getting into lowercase, same string. If I say uppercase, I am getting into the uppercase. You can see the string in uppercase, right? And what I said, substring 7 means I want from 7th position. So you can notice here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, space 5, 6, 7, 8, right? From a space. This is 8, but why I'm saying 7? So the index is actually 0 to 0, start from 0. So from this position, get it. So you are getting this space and all. This whole string you are getting after this place from 7th position. Here I am saying 5 to 13. So from position 5 to 13. So you can notice here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is this. And then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you're getting here, right? Split first. So wherever the first, split the string. So you notice that one string, another, and another. So total 4 string you are getting because there are 3 first in this 1, 2, and then 3, right? So wherever first encounter one comma is coming near to that, right? Comma is coming near to that. Now mystr.char at 8 f. What is the character at position 8? So you can notice here this is the character f on position 8, right? And then after we are saying here char code at 1. What is the character code of place 1? So 1 is what? 0, 1 h. The ASCII code of h is what? 104. That is the character code. Index of first. First is starting where? It is on position 8. So you're getting 8 here, right? So this is string object with all the methods that we have seen. To lowercase, uppercase, okay. So we understood the array object and the string object together here of JavaScript, okay. So that's all about understanding of string object and array object of JavaScript.